Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to the second session of our week 5 video lecture notes. So students, this is what we have covered. हमने पिछली वीडियो के अंदर काफ़ी डिटेल में लर्निंग ऑब्जेक्टिव को डिस्कस किया, जिसमें these are the learning objectives that we have covered, जो हमने in detail देखे. Like this one is about to understand the concept of software development life cycle and types and so on, how it will be useful for your future. And this is what we have studied in the last lecture. हमने last lecture का भी एक overview लिया. So this is what we have done in the last session, that means in the previous session. SDLC को हमने define किया. What's the SDLC? Basically it's about requirement analysis, designing, and implementation, testing and evolution. So that is about different number of phases. फिर हमने इसको in detail discuss किया. What's the meaning of all these you can say stages for any software development cycle. Now this one is about our next video session, that is software process model या software development life cycle के point of view से जब देखा जाता है तो a software process also known as the software methodology. Again students, this one is a, you can say, very brief definition. It's a set of related activities that leads to the production of the software. It will helps to, again, it's the set of activities जो हमने ये वाली activities that you have to perform जो हमने अभी discuss की. These activities may involve the development of the software from the scratch or modifying an existing system. So it's the same thing जो मैं आपको बताती होती हूँ कि आप just like एक new application बनाते हैं from zero, from scratch, or you want to make the changes in any already existing application. So again, for that reason, these are the activities from software development cycle point of view or software engineering concept point of view. These are the activities, or this one is the, you can say, for STLC, these are the different activities that you have to follow. Like first one is about software specification or the requirement engineering. First, we want to find out or define the main functionality of the software and the constraint around them. That means what's the basic functionality of that software, software है क्या, what's the basic purpose, and what will be the constraints, उसमें problems क्या क्या है, वो you have to find out. Then software design and implementation. That means how you have to design your system. That is about software design and programmed. कैसे program किया जाएगा. Software verification and validity. You can say ये जो आपके second और third और fourth step है, it's you can say near to end. That means जब आप designing कर लेते हैं, implementation कर लेते हैं, आपने उसकी specification find out करनी है, तो then you have to move toward the verification and validity, whether that software is you can say correct, that is you can say as per the requirement of the customer and so on. The software must conform to its specification and meets the customer needs. This is what I have told you right now. That means what's the need of the customer, what's the requirement of the customer, whether it's according to the needs and requirement of the customer or not. This is what we have to find out. Software evolution, that means maintenance of the software. The software is being modified to meet the customer and market requirement changes. That means you have to make the changes, and you have to make that software as per the requirement of the customer. So that is about SDLC, and these are the, you can say, different approaches, or these are the set of steps that we have discussed. जो यहाँ पे हमने discuss किए हैं, ये वही वाले steps हैं जो हमने यहाँ पे in detail discuss किए हैं. Now let's move toward the our main topic. Software development life cycle के अंदर we have different number of models, right? That can be the these are known as process model. So STLC models कौन कौन से हैं वो we want to see right now. That can be, और इनको in detail one by one अभी हम discuss करेंगे. First one is about waterfall model. That is the first one. So we have to know what's the concept of waterfall model. क्या है उसमें, what's the basic requirement. Then prototype model, then spiral model, V-shaped model, iterative model, and agile model. So these are the further we can say 5 to 6 models जो SDLC के अंदर होते हैं, और SDLC की जो basic methodology है वो इन models के लिए हम use करते हैं. And what's the advantages, disadvantages of every model right now we have to discuss, and then you have to make the comparative analysis of all of these models, and then you have to select which one is best for your project. That is the basic purpose of our session, our this lecture is. Okay, students. Now, waterfall model. Start with the first one. Now, what is waterfall model? um, you are right now students, you are in 8th semester, माशाल्लाह आप काफी डिटेल में चीजों को जानते हैं कि क्या है. Briefly we have to see the overview of all these models, and then accordingly you have to embed our you can say integrate it with the your final year project. That means कौन सा किस लिए best होता है and so on. So waterfall model. Now what is waterfall model? Waterfall model is a sequential approach where each fundamental activity of the process represented as a separate phase arranged in a linear order. So this is a sequential approach. It's very important. Waterfall model is a sequential approach that is, you can say, composed of what are the basic activities we have to perform in the waterfall model. That can be about on the basis of different phases like phase 1, 2, 3, and so on. Iski form, and it must be in a linear order form. In the waterfall model, you must plan and schedule. Again, planning and scheduling is very important. All of the activities before starting working on them. That means it's a plan driven process. Again, it's another definition and the concept of waterfall model. It's a sequential model, it's a plan driven process. That means first, second, third, and so on. We have to make the plans or set of steps. The phases of waterfall models are, that means it's a phased number of phases we have to cover in this model again. So requirements, design, implementation, verification, and maintenance. These are the different phases, or these are the different set of steps, or these are the different, you can say, activities that we have to perform in this model. So generally ये वाली activities हम हर model में different way में perform करते हैं. So this is known as waterfall model. That means just how the water flow downward or whatever onward. So उसी तरीके से इस concept को लिया गया है. That means we have to, this one is the concept, waterfall model, like requirements. First we have to find out what's the requirement, then design phase, we have to design on the basis of the requirement our application, then we have to implement our application or software or whatever the we have made the design on the basis of that. Then we have to verify and maintenance. That is the last, you can say, second stage. So we can say if we want to हम इनको different stages में भी वो कर सकते हैं, categorize कर सकते हैं. So first one is about requirement. That means define needed information, function, behavior, performance, and interfaces. This is the first one जो हमने इसमें define करना. Then design, data structure, software architecture. This one is about designing phase, जिसमें आपका data structure involve होता है, architecture, interface जो हमने the way it look likes visually, visually, and algorithm details. ये सब आपके designing phase में आता है. Then implementation, that means source code, database, user documentation, testing, and last one is about verification and maintenance, whether it's according to the requirement of the customer or not. So this one is about waterfall model. So again, this one is about, we can say this one is the phase जिसको हम कहते हैं business case, user requirement, and system specification. This is what we have to design. कि हमने रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है, हमें रिक्वायरमेंट बेसिकली क्या मिली है कस्टमर से, और उसकी बेस पे हाउ वी हैव टू डिजाइन. फिर स्टूडेंट्स हम क्या करते हैं, फिर नेक्स्ट जो चीज़ होती है जी, दैट इज सिस्टम डिज़ाइन. देन वी हैव टू डिज़ाइन अकॉर्डिंगली, लाइक कंपोनेंट्स को डिज़ाइन करेंगे और सिस्टम को डिज़ाइन करेंगे. दैट इज डिज़ाइनिंग फेज. देन यू हैव टू डिप्लॉय ऑल दीज थिंग्स, कंस्ट्रक्ट्स द कंपोनेंट्स एंड डिप्लॉयमेंट आप जो करते हैं. And next one is about, we can say, testing. That is the you can say last phase or the last activity or the last stage regarding waterfall model. स्टूडेंट रिमेनिंग जो हम इसकी स्लाइड्स हैं वो नेक्स्ट क्लास में, नेक्स्ट सेशन में डिस्कस करेंगे. थैंक यू फॉर दिस सेशन. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स.